Big news, the 2022 conventional loan limits are out and they're much bigger than expected. What does it mean for you? We're going to talk all about that and more, and we're getting started right now. Hey, what's going on? Emmett Dempsey, mortgage broker and owner of Treasure Coast Mortgage here in Port Saint Lucie, Florida, and welcome to another video. On this channel, we talk more about mortgages, the home buying process, and some cool things about moving to Florida. So if this is your first time here, please think about subscribing. Okay, big news. The new 2022 conforming loan limits have increased. You might have seen a whole bunch of posts by now from other loan officers and realtors on social media. So it begins. Okay, great. What does it mean for you? Okay, if you're a buyer, bottom line is it increases your purchase power, and it also lessens your cash if you're buying in the jumbo range. Basically, a conforming loan is something that conforms to Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac's guidelines, something that they'll buy, and that's very important for you as a buyer because it has lower interest rates, easier qualification terms. If you're not a conforming loan, you're a non-conforming loan or a jumbo, and then you're subject to whatever their overlays are. It's just much tougher to. It's much tougher to get a jumbo loan because they usually require, longer documentation, more assets down. It's just when you cross over that threshold from conforming to jumbo, things get harder. And in this competitive real estate market, you don't want to make anything harder than it already is. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a closer look as to exactly what it means for you as a buyer for these new conforming loan limits. Let's go and take a look. Okay, the new 2022 conforming conventional loan limits. Okay, here we go. Basically, they're up to $625,000, up from $548,250 in 2021. It's a 14% increase. Okay, that's almost double the 2021 increase. I think it was 7.5 last year. And in high cost areas, it's $937,500. And for reverse mortgages and HECMs, home equity conversion mortgage, that's also the maximum. It's about 150% of the normal limit. Okay. Let's go back. The 2022 conventional loan limit benefits. Again, first benefit, more purchasing power. You can see a side-by-side comparison of 2021 versus 2022, 548,250 max loan, 625. So if you were to put down, basic threshold is 5% down, 10% down, 20% down. Here's the maximum purchase price in order for you to utilize the max conforming loan limit. Now, so this isn't not exact, but it gives you an idea. Say you had to get a conforming loan, you didn't want to have to go in the jumbo territory. Maybe your job history wasn't full 2 years or something where you needed to stay conventional loan, and it's just easier to qualify. So you can see what those max loans would be at 5%, 10%, 20%. And then 2022, you can see it's gotten bigger. So you can loan more money. So basically your purchase price ability has increased. So your max is now 657, 694, 781. So basically we've stepped up and you've increased your purchasing power by more than 14% with a conventional loan. Okay. So that's the first one, more purchasing power. Okay. All right. Less cash. Okay. How does that work? Whoops. Let me go back here. So basically you less cash. So this is for a $700,000 example, in 2021, 548,250 was the max loan here. Purchase price of $700,000. And most you can borrow is 548,250. Okay, remaining loan of 151,750. Or versus 2022. Now it's a 625 max loan, and it's a purchase price of $700,000. Max loan 625. So now the remaining cash is $75,000. So that's about $76,750, or about 50% less cash needed to close. So that's huge, guys. So increased purchase power, and if you were buying in the $500,000, $600,000, $700,000 range, as you're getting higher, you able to put less down and still maintain a conforming loan limit. So that's the benefits of the increased loan limits this year. Okay, welcome back. So basically, the new conforming loan limits will increase your purchasing power. It was a 14%, as well as save you some money, almost a 50% decrease in your cash to close if you're buying in the high jumbo range. So if you're looking to buy, sell, or refinance, I can do those new conforming loan limits today, even before 2022 hits. So if you're going to the end of the year, it's going to be huge as we get ready to buy here in Florida for homestead. So definitely give me a call. Go to tcmortgage.com. I'd love to help you and your family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.